Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at a decked out 32-foot LY Low Pro with a hydraulic dovetail. The LY model is built on a 12-inch, 19-pound I-beam frame with 3-inch channel cross members on 16-inch centers. With a 102-inch wide deck that's available in lengths from 30-foot to 44-foot, the LY is perfect for transporting autos, palleted materials, and heavy machinery and equipment. At the front, we have a rugged 25,000-pound gooseneck coupler fitted with an all-weather wiring harness and a set of 12K 2-speed jacks. These drop-blade jacks are spring-loaded and feature an internal 2-speed gearbox that gives you maximum lift and power for heavy loads or maximum speed for faster hitching. For additional storage space, we've optioned this LY out with a removable deck on the neck that's rated for 2,500 pounds. This is a popular upgrade for hot shotting as it allows you to haul additional attachments, materials, and cargo while not sacrificing any usable deck space. At the front of the deck, we have installed a plate for installing a winch. This would help to assist in loading disabled vehicles and equipment. For our running gear, we have two 10,000-pound Dexter axles with electric brakes, giving us a 25,000-pound GVWR. At the rear, the LY is equipped with a 10-foot hydraulic dovetail that, with the push of a button, lowers down into the ramp position for easy and safe loading. Another advantage of the hydraulic dovetail is that it has a 10,000-pound lift capacity and a 4,000-pound hauling capacity from the center point forward. This gives you more usable deck space for transporting equipment and materials to the job site. As always, you can check out more information by going to pjtrailers.com, where you can find your closest dealer to help customize and order your next PJ trailer. Thanks, guys.